Hello, friends. World War II was a global conflict that lasted from 1939 to 1945, involving many of the world's nations. The war can be attributed to a complex set of causes and events that unfolded over several decades. Here are some of the key factors that led to the outbreak of World War II. 1. Treaty of Versailles. After World War I, the Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919, imposing harsh conditions on Germany, including massive reparations, territorial losses, and severe limitations on its military. These punitive measures created deep resentment in Germany and laid the foundation for future conflicts. 2. Economic depression. The worldwide economic depression that began in 1929 hit many countries hard, leading to high unemployment rates and social unrest. Economic hardships fueled nationalist sentiments and extremism in various nations. 3. Rise of totalitarianism. Totalitarian regimes emerged in different parts of the world, with Adolf Hitler's Nazi Germany, led by the National Socialist German Workers' Party, being the most prominent. Italy had Mussolini's fascist government, and Japan adopted an expansionist and militaristic ideology. 4. Expansionism and imperialism. As economic difficulties grew, some countries sought to expand their territories to gain access to more resources and markets. Japan aimed to establish an Asian empire, while Germany sought to unite all German-speaking people in Europe. 5. Appeasement. In the 1930s, many Western democracies, particularly Britain and France, pursued a policy of appeasement towards Nazi Germany, attempting to avoid war by making concessions to Hitler's demands. This approach only emboldened Hitler and increased his territorial ambitions. 6. Violation of treaties. In the late 1930s, Germany and Italy violated international agreements and treaties by annexing territories and engaging in aggressive actions. Germany's remilitarization of the Rhineland, the annexation of Austria, Anschluss, and the dismemberment of Czechoslovakia's Sudetenland were clear indications of their expansionist intentions. 7. Non-Aggression Pact and invasion of Poland. In August 1939, Germany and the Soviet Union signed the Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact, which contained a secret protocol dividing Eastern Europe into spheres of influence. On September 1, 1939, Germany invaded Poland, prompting Britain and France to declare war on Germany on September 3, 1939, marking the official start of World War II. These are just some of the major contributing factors to the outbreak of World War II. The war itself had devastating consequences, resulting in millions of deaths and reshaping the geopolitical landscape of the world. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.